Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering the secrets to business success in Germany. Can I find the key strategies that will help entrepreneurs thrive? Germany is renowned for being a strong economy and a hub for innovation, making it an attractive destination for entrepreneurs looking to start or expand their business. Its strategic location in the heart of Europe, highly skilled workforce, and strong infrastructure make it an ideal place to succeed. However, starting a business in Germany can be a daunting task, especially for foreign entrepreneurs. One of the most significant challenges is navigating the complex bureaucratic system, which can be overwhelming to say the least. Obtaining the necessary licenses and permits can take months, and even then, there's no guarantee of approval. Cultural differences can also pose a significant obstacle. Germany has a unique business culture that values precision, punctuality, and attention to detail, which can be a significant departure from what entrepreneurs are used to in their home country. Understanding these nuances is crucial to building strong relationships with clients, suppliers, and partners. Furthermore, access to funding can be a significant challenge, especially for startups. Germany's venture capital market is highly competitive, and securing investment can be a long and arduous process. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs have found success in Germany by leveraging various factors that contribute to business success. Networking opportunities abound in Germany, with numerous conferences, trade shows, and industry events that provide a platform to connect with potential clients, partners, and investors. Germany is also home to a highly skilled and educated workforce, with many universities and research institutions producing top talent in various fields. This access to skilled labor can be a significant competitive advantage for businesses. In addition, the German government offers a range of support programs for entrepreneurs, including funding initiatives, tax incentives, and mentorship programs. These resources can be invaluable in helping entrepreneurs navigate the complexities of starting a business in Germany. Take, for example, the story of Sophia, a foreign entrepreneur who started a sustainable fashion brand in Berlin. Despite facing significant challenges, including cultural differences and funding issues, Sophia was able to overcome these obstacles by leveraging Germany's strong networking opportunities, accessing skilled labor, and utilizing government support programs. Sophia's key strategy was to focus on building strong relationships with local suppliers, partners, and clients, which helped her navigate the complexities of the German market. Sophia's story is a testament to the potential for business success in Germany, and the resources available to entrepreneurs who are willing to put in the effort. By understanding the challenges and leveraging the opportunities, entrepreneurs can thrive in this vibrant economy. Germany offers a unique combination of opportunities and challenges for entrepreneurs. While navigating the bureaucratic system, cultural differences and funding issues can be daunting. The potential for business success is significant. With the right strategies and mindset, entrepreneurs can overcome these challenges and find success in Germany. What are your thoughts on starting a business in Germany? Share your comments below. Link in comments and description. Now join Business Gold Program seminar in Germany. And don't forget to tune in to my next video for more entrepreneurship tips and insights.